I do make a lot of art, but I have a full-time job and I am a full-time mom, so I don't have a ton of time, which means journals are my preferred way of working. My name is Amanda Close and I'm an artist working in Brooklyn. And we are going to work on some memory keeping in gouache through landscape and pattern. And this is the spread we're going to be building together, and I'm very excited about it. I love working with color and pattern, and I love working from my library of images that I've taken really over my whole life to create these interesting spreads that capture my memories. So if you're interested in taking a little time for you and you'd like to explore a scene that I've shared or any scene that you're interested in, and you're intrigued by the idea of incorporating pattern and some color work into your spread, as well as taking some time to write and to meditate on why these things are important to you, join us. We'd love to see you there. It's really fun. Thanks.